How to use Railgun Helldivers 2. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to use Railgun in Helldivers 2, from collecting to mastering both safe and unsafe file modes. Let's get started. Step 1. Equipping the Railgun. First, unlock the Railgun at the stratagem terminal inside your ship. To call it during the mission, use this code: down, left, right, up. Then, select the drop pod when arrives. Step 2. Understand safe mode. By default, the railgun is in safe mode. Hold your fire button to charge the shot, then release just before it fully charges. It's great for light and medium enemies, and safe from self-damage. Step 3. Activating unsafe mode. To switch to unsafe mode, hold the reload button for 2 seconds. Now you can overcharge your weapon. Hold to max charge and release right at the peak. It deals massive damage, but be careful, overcharging will make it explode. Step 4. When to use each mode. Use safe mode for regular enemy or when you're low on health. Use unsafe mode against tanks, chargers, and heavy armored enemies. Always check your charge bar to avoid accidents. Step 5. Extra tips. Use cover when charging to stay protected. Combine the railgun with ammo stratagems in long missions. Avoid friendly fire. This weapon is hard. And that's it. That was your quick tutorial on how to use Railgun in Helldivers 2. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.